Hi, we're from Sheartak Tools, a Canadian-based company that provides woodworking and metalworking tools. In this video, we'll be talking about the Spindle Shaper Moulder Profile Heads. The Spindle Shaper Moulder Profile Heads are a special type of cutter head that allows the machinery of unique profiles on materials. Unlike straight knives or spiral cutter heads, profile knives can produce curved finishes on wood. Some examples of the applications of these cutter heads include door frames, window frames, baseboard, crown moldings, and many more. Basically, anything that has a frame has probably been passed through a profile moulder head to make it look majestic rather than just a boring straight flat frame. If you want an even curve on your wood, you need to make sure that you have one of these cutter heads, as they can produce smooth curved finishes with accuracy every time. To use a profile moulder head, you would need a spindle moulder, which is also commonly known as a wood shaper. Follow the instructions on your machine to attach your unique profile cutter. At Sheartak, we sell many different profile heads to meet our client needs. Here's a quick summary of all the cutter heads that we have to offer. For rounding over corners, we offer two different sizes, one with a cutting circle of 120mm and a max cutter height of 20mm, and a bigger one with a cutting circle of 140mm and a max cutter height at 30mm. If you're looking for curved edges with multiple radii, we have multi-profile cutter head, also offered with two different sizes, a cutting circle of 120mm and the other at 160mm. To join wood parts together, use our 45-degree lock meter cutter head. It cuts with a tongue and groove at 45 degrees, and when joining two pieces together, it makes a perfect 90-degree angle. The interlocking grooves make the mechanical strength of the glued area a lot stronger. We also have a glue joint shaper cutter, ideal to edge alignments. The cut-in grooves also improve the strength of the intersection. To create a round end on one side of your wood piece, use our breading profile cutter for the perfect curved end. Additionally, if you're not sure which profile you want to pick, we offer a multi-profile moulder head. This set includes 13 pairs of profile knives, which can be easily interchanged to your needs. We hope you enjoyed this video about the Spindle Shaper Moulder Heads. If you need any assistance or replacement parts, be sure to check out Sheartak's website at www.sheartak.com or send us an email, sales@sheartak.com, for woodworking supplies and more.